This bird is so perfectly designed by nature that it almost never lands. I'm not exaggerating. Scientists tracked it and made a mind-blowing discovery. It can stay in the air for up to 10 months without ever touching the ground. This is the longest continuous flight ever recorded for any bird. During this time, it does everything while airborne, like catching insects mid-flight, skimming over rivers to drink, and even mating on the wing. And here's another crazy fact. It also sleeps in the air. It ascends to a high altitude, and then, as it glides down, it switches off half of its brain, essentially sleeping on autopilot. But its one weakness is the ground. Its legs are so underdeveloped that if it ever lands, it can't take off again. It's built for one thing and one thing only: the sky. Its name is the common swift.